2 points from Drew. 15 seconds. Ira, galing sa St. John by 20. Pasok. 3 points. May kasama mang flying kiss. Ayan na. Bunso, darating ka naman.
Kevin. Zamba. Walang Fritz with the rebound. Fritz. Was Joel dropped it to Ferry.
Galing bang St. John yung 2 points na yun? Grabe.
Drew. Na-check ni Boss Joel. Fritz. Dribbling the ball. Looking for the teammates. Trying to go in. 12-second shot clock. Floater. Kevin to the rebound.
Nakita si Ruben. Sumites.
2 points. Left to lane by Ruben. Fritz dribbling the ball for 3. No good. Double rebound. Fritz. Nakakatawa ni Sambo.
Ruben, pinababa. Pumipit. Tinirap. Baka na ng konti.
Maki na rebound. Going back. Gabi. Dumipensa. Our rebound by Kevin. Pinababa.
Ano kalay? Di ko naman alam kung sino si Gabi at si Ruben. Gabi pinagaw yung bola. Ay, si Ruben pala. 30 rebound. Huli yan kay Andrew. Former teammates na pinepensahan.
Fritz for 2.
Kevin! 19 for 2.
11-6 ang score in favor of Campos.
Ruben, nakagaw ni Ruben.
Lost it.
Drew, isa pa kaya? Para may flying kiss? Wala. 1 round ka lang mamaya. Napalakas na konti ang pasa.
Drew dribbling the ball. 20 seconds. Shot clock. 34 seconds game clock.
Making his move, Mr. Drew. White ball.
Last 19 seconds, 18, 17, inbound the ball. Walang inbound din mga iigan. Shot clock out na po tayo. 10 seconds, game clock. For 3.